Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Instagram if it's not working on your computer, including issues with the Reels page. Let's get started. First, click the three dots in your browser, go to Settings. On the left-hand side, select Privacy and Security. Now select Delete Browsing Data. Make sure Cookies and Other Site Data is checked, set the time range to all time, then press Delete Data. Restart your browser and check Instagram again. If it's still not working, click the three dots again. Go to Settings. Select About Chrome or your browser and make sure it's fully updated. Install any pending updates, then restart your browser. If your Reels page specifically isn't working, search your Start menu for Adjust the appearance and performance of Windows. Make sure Animate Controls and Elements inside Windows is checked, press Apply OK, and then restart your browser. That's it. Instagram should now be working perfectly on your PC, including your Reels page. If this helped, like, subscribe, and comment below letting me know which step fixed your issue. Thanks for watching.